Nutrition is the process of taking food to obtain energy to do our various life processes like playing, studying, etc. Depending upon the food organisms take, they are divided into two categories, autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophic organisms manufacture their own food using simple inorganic substances and energy from the environment. These include green plants and some bacteria. In green plants, leaves is the site for food preparation. Plants in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water synthesize their food. Carbon dioxide is taken up by plants through stomata present on leaves, while oxygen is released as byproduct through stomata. Zoom on the leaf section shows the mesophyll cells, which contain stomata that are responsible for carbon dioxide and oxygen exchange. At last, we can see the overall reaction of photosynthesis at the top right of the frame. Chloroplasts are present in the green part of a plant, mainly on leaves, and are responsible for photosynthesis, the vital process on which life of an organism depends. Here, ultrastructure of a leaf is shown with its cell structure. This is called mesophyll cell in the leaf. Mesophyll cell contains chloroplast. On zooming, different parts of a chloroplast can be seen. Thylakoid is a disc-shaped structure placed one over the other. The fluid inside chloroplast is known as stoma. The stack of thylakoid is called granum. The space between outer and inner membrane is called as intermembrane space. A zoomed granum shows its structure, lamellae that connect two grana. This experiment is showing the effect of light, temperature, and carbon dioxide on photosynthesis. Please click on the bulb, which is indication for light. In strong light, rate of photosynthesis increases proportionally to indent light. At certain point, rate of photosynthesis become constant, no matter how strong the light is. Now, click on the thermometer icon. You can see that increasing temperature, rate of photosynthesis increases proportionally, but up to a certain limit. After that, rate of photosynthesis decreases due to sensitivity of stomata to remain closed on high temperature. Finally, click on the carbon dioxide cylinder. With an increase in carbon dioxide concentration to the plant, rate of photosynthesis increases proportionally. Nutrition in animals is mostly heterotrophic. They depend on plants and other animals for their food. Some animals feed on both plants and animals. Animals and non-green plants like fungi, bacteria, etc. cannot make their own food. Such organisms are known as heterotrophs and their mode of nutrition as heterotrophic nutrition. These organisms depend on autotrophs for their nutrition directly or indirectly. Heterotrophs can be divided into three categories on the basis of their eating habits. Herbivores are those animals which eat plants, for example, cow, goat, etc. Carnivores are those animals which eat the flesh of other animals, for example, lion, tiger, etc. Omnivores are those animals which eat both plants and the flesh of other animals, for example, man, crow, etc.